BRAE. We're here in Lab 1. Students are active. We're all getting together. Everybody's meeting. It's been a great quarter so far. And now we're looking forward to seeing you next year. First, we're going to have a message from BB, one of our special mascots. Then I'll be back to talk about the department and what we have.
Welcome to BRAE. Hey, that rhymes with yay. I'm BB, BRAE's special mascot. We have engineering and ag systems management programs. I don't get to use the big machines, but if you come to Cal Poly, you will. Just between us, all the sparks from the welding scares me. Anyway, thank you for watching our introductory video to BRAE. I can't wait to meet all of you.
Hi, you've just heard from BB and now you're back with me, and I'm Peter Livingston, the department head here at BRAE. You're going to get a tour of the facilities, and then we'll all be back at the end to talk to you about what we can do here at Bioresource and Ag Engineering. But I think you're going to love it here at Cal Poly, and we look forward to seeing you in the fall.
This here is Lab 1. In Lab 1, we have circular saws, table saws, belt sanders, and drill presses. Each shop also comes with its own tool board, fully equipped with all the tools you'd need for any kind of project. BRAE 129 is one of the first classes you take as a BRAE student, where it teaches students about the proper tool use and familiarization with shop equipment. This is Lab 2. This is our irrigation classroom, where students learn about fluid mechanics, specifically water, and the designing of irrigation systems. Each class has a 3-hour lab associated with it, where students are demonstrated what they have learned in lecture. This is Lab 3, our electronics classroom. Students take courses on online design programs such as hand drafting, AutoCAD, and SolidWorks. Some of the robotics courses, as well as some of the electricity courses, are also taught in this classroom. This is our student study room for the BRAE department. Students from the department come here to work on homework and study together. This room has a fridge, microwave, and printer for student access. It is also open 24 hours a day.
This is Lab 4. Dr. Schwartz has an aquaponics system in here. Fish pretty much live in a tank, and the wastewater from the fish is used to grow plants. There's also another controlled environment, which is strictly hydroponics. No fish waste is used, but anything from aquaponics, hydroponics, biofuel, more of the bioresource side of BRAE is done here.
All right, so my name is Garrett Forbes. I'm the advisor for the Cal Poly Tractor Club and team. So two different kind of things we have going on here. The Tractor Pull team is responsible for maintaining these two tractors you see behind us. We have Mustang Legacy and Poly Thunder over here. This tractor was designed and built in-house by students in several different senior project and capstone design classes. So everything you see here was built by students in our department in the shops that you'll see in this tour.
This is Lab 6. Most of the fabrication for projects happens in here. It is equipped with a plasma table, lots of welders, bandsaw, shear, press brake. Most everything comes together here with the big hoist and everything like that. This is Lab 7. It is equipped with more precision-based machinery. Anything from lathes to mills, drill presses. There's another bandsaw. Most of the machining happens here in 7. Also in the corner, tractor scale or quarter scale has a section where they build a small scale tractor and work on it in here.
Here we are at the John Marion Irrigation Practice Field. It's one of the facilities operated by ITRC, Irrigation Training and Research Center. Out here, we train all our students on how to evaluate irrigation systems that they've looked at. So we have a linear move, we have a weather station over on the left. The valving and piping classes are meeting under the tent right now. This is a great facility that you have access to here at Cal Poly. BRAE has two majors. The first is BRAE, and there's about 150 students in BRAE. It's an ABET accredited engineering program, so it's the same as all the engineering programs over in the College of Engineering, and the key word there is ABET accredited. It's a calculus-based curriculum. We teach water, environmental, electrical, mechanical, and mechatronics engineering. And mechatronics is just a combination of all the above. It's really a combination of electrical and mechanical. Our average starting salary for our BRAE majors is over $70,000 per year. The other major we have is Ag Systems Management. There's again about 150 students in that program. It's an algebra-based curriculum. It's the systems management approach to farming, ag business, construction management, and farm machinery. And those are the different areas you can get a job at. And those jobs start at $65,000 per year. Common classes that we have for the two of them start in the freshman year and end with the culminating capstone project design courses, where the BRAE students and the ASM students get together to design, fabricate a piece of farm machinery or some specialty piece of equipment. All right, here we are. You have seen our labs. You've met some of our students. They fired up the tractor pull tractor, which is driven by students at over 30 competitions a year. You've even met Ziva, who's been here during COVID to keep me company. But you know what? Who else is keeping me company? All our students. We've had active labs throughout COVID, and we're going to continue in the fall. So come join us in the fall. How do you do that? Push the button, and that's what our campaign is called. Push the button. So push that button, join in Ag Systems Management and Bioresource and Ag Engineering, and you will be here in the fall. See you then. Thanks.